In 14.2, we're going to be recording entries related to uncollectible accounts receivable. Our instructions are asking us to use page 15 of a general journal and page 24 of a cash receipts journal. It says journalize the following transactions completed during November and December of the current year. Post the transactions to the accounts receivable ledger when the transactions are recorded in the journals. Our first transaction is on November 4th. Wrote off Mellon Corporation's past due account as uncollectible, $494, memorandum 145. This is going to get recorded in the general journal. November 4th, M145 is the source document. We are going to debit allowance for uncollectible accounts for $494, and we're going to wipe out their accounts receivable, so we're going to credit that. I'm going to slash the posting reference box because we'll have to post to accounts receivable and Mellon, and here's that. So now we're being asked to post this right away. So we're going to go to allowance for uncollectible accounts, a debit for $494. So here this is. The date is November 4th. This is coming from the General Journal, page 15. This is a debit for $494. We are going to subtract, and our new balance is $2664.47. I take account number 1135. And I come back here. Now I'm going to credit accounts receivable for $494. So here this is, General Journal, page 15, a credit for $494, and we subtract. Our new balance is $34,654.85. We take account number 1130. And we will put that in the top half of the box. Now this is where it gets a little bit different. We're going to Mellon Corporation. We're going to credit them for $494. So here's Mellon Corporation. On the 4th, coming from the General Journal, page 15, because we're writing them off, we are going to write written off here. We are going to credit them for $494 and wipe it out. If we don't write written off here, this just looks like they paid, which they didn't. That's the exact opposite of what they're doing. We take customer number 130 and we put it here. The next transaction, wrote off Home Company's past due account as uncollectible for $1548, memorandum 147. The date is the 15th. M147. And we credit accounts receivable, Horn Company, for $1548. And we slash. We're again going to post this. Allowance for uncollectible accounts is a debit for $1548. Our new balance, we subtract, is $1,116.47. And I'll put 1135 here. Accounts receivable gets a credit for $1548. I subtract, my new balance is $33,106.85. We take account number 130. And Horn Company is going to get a credit for $1548. we have to remember to write written off so we know what's happening with this and it doesn't make it look like they paid.